Hey guys, welcome back to Crafted by Kids. Today we're going to be making a half and half painting. This is what we're going to be making today. Materials you'll need are paints, a paintbrush, a canvas, and masking tape. First, you're going to put a piece of masking tape down the middle and then paint on both sides different color schemes. So what I did on one side was purple, green, and blue, and on the other I did red, orange, and yellow. And then you're going to blend them together, and you can do this using a paintbrush or this fun tool that I have. I'm not quite sure what the name is, but it was very fun to use. And then you're going to do that on both sides, and then you're going to fill in the line that the tape made in the middle. Then what I did now is optional, but you can do it if you want, is I took a sponge and I just dabbed around the painting to give it a different texture. Make sure you use different sides so you don't blend the colors. Next, what you're going to do is draw a semicircle with the opposite colors on both sides of the painting to give it a full circle effect, and there you go. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye!